Welcome to the Outpost. The Outpost, you actually start off in the car park, which is bizarre. You go past the Village Hotel, into the car park, and then you catch the lift up to level 3. Hi there, how are you? Level 3 lobby actually exits out onto the same level as the pool area as the Village Hotel does, but we're in the Outpost. They share the pool. I should have opened the drawers earlier. Yeah. I would like to do the choosing, but I kind of figure I'll just stand back. Let's get the creamy coffee. There we go. Good choice. That's a good little surprise, isn't it? I'm not knocking it. But if we did get to choose like 5 bottles of wine over there instead. Thank you very much. How good's that? It's like the treat you didn't know you were getting.
This is my dinner.
I'll take the butter cookies.
Hey!
Okay, we are here. So this is our room. First up, nice dressing gowns, sink, bags are in the way, cupboard. What's in the cupboards? Nothing. There's a little minibar fridge under here. An espresso coffee pod machine. That's for a water filter that I've learnt from another hotel where I had no idea. A mirror. TV, fancy woodwork, king size bed, little couch, somewhere to do some work. Fancy artwork on the wall there. And the view, what do we get the view of? Oh, so we get the top pool, not the bottom pool. Going around a bit further, we get to the bathroom and the shower. They're separate. Oh. Bit echoey. Look at this. And this is a shower. It's huge. Has some selections for the heat. Separate. It's actually a shower head. Whoops. Get separate shower head. You can click it and it changes which one squirts. And then look at that. That is a shower head. It's a huge one. Okay. Out of the shower. And we don't need to really look at the toilet, but yeah, so that's very nicely presented, and it's one of those bidet type toilets, so the toilet seat lid opens up automatically for you. The toilet roll is in a fancy cover. That's it's a mirror. Not sure what you'd use the mirror for. Some fancy cups and towels. What are these things? Oh, British breakfast. Oh, they're teas. Nice coffee pods for the espresso. Okay, one more thing to do. The bed test. What do we reckon? Ready? Oh yeah, that is nice and soft. I reckon that is the softest one yet. And the pillows? Oh yes. Pillows are real good. Yep. I think the bed is a winner. Time for breakfast. I'd recommend skipping breakfast at the Outpost Hotel and go next door to the Village Hotel, because the Village Hotel has the native kitchen. At the native kitchen, they offer a much larger range of options and have a much more lively atmosphere, which would make for a much more enjoyable start to the beginning of your day. Well, because of the music that's in the background, I'm talking very loud and we're moving quickly because we don't want to get done for that one. So why would you come to the Outpost for a view like this? Look at the aeroplane. Just here, got an aeroplane. It's Malaysian Airlines. It is part of the Kids Learning Centre. So they get to go on the plane, they've got other stuff as well. But There's a mini golf course down there, a kids pool area, massive beach, pool activity like obstacle course, there's some bars down there. It's a brilliant place, and of course that fantastic bridge over there that gets you to the other side, and down there, that is the place to go for a sunset bev. Margot's. Aussie, 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 Aussie. Yep. Look at that. Man's making them up. Get to play with my balls in the pool. Sam, can you just video all of us together? Sweet. Now we need. What?
Hang on, wait.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it.
Okay, it's waterproof.
Stabilizers,
Yeah, I know. The GoPro's not my best camera, but it's one of them. It's waterproof.
He's a blanket. Alright, we're going to do.
Do I need to do anything to it, or are you just going to stand there?
Just point and shoot and talk.
Oh, well, there they are. They're all having a great old time. Having their drinks and cocktails. Cheers.
Okay, we're done.
We found another flogger.
So we're in the pool at the Outpost. Hang on. We're in the pool at the village. Go figure. 2 different hotels. Same pool. Same bar. Either way, we're here. Well, both the Outpost and the Village hotels boast the most incredible pool area that truly stands out. The vibe by the pool during the day and into the evening is unbeatable. You get to meet all kinds of people, especially with the added bonus of the free fireworks to cap off your night. If you don't have kids, I really would recommend staying at the Outpost. It is now my new favourite. The rooftop pool area is fantastic. Gives you a little bit of quiet time, kind of. And while you definitely want to enjoy and share the pool areas, the rooms at the Outpost offer better inclusions and are just that little bit larger and more comfortable. Overall, I think you have a great experience at either places, but the Outpost might just give you that extra edge in comfort and enjoyment. Mate, seriously, if you like my video, why don't you send me a little message, let me know what you think of either of these hotels. Cheers.